Quick market update. Viva Viva. Very quick. Let's look at fear and greed index. Right now, if I remember correct, last week we were looking at it, and it was actually very low. Now it's actually growing. Um, Last week it was 18. Now it's 34. So we're gonna take a look. Why is it pumping, and what's going on, and is it safe for us to get in heavy, or to just wait on the sidelines? Okay, so let's look at our daily time frame, and then we're gonna take a look at weekly and monthly time frame to see where we are. Just to let you all know, we're still in a bear market. It's clearly we're still in a bear market, but you know that that's the rally that we getting right now. It's pretty cool, pretty awesome. It's been a couple months that we've been getting hammered, but I'll tell you guys, good things are coming, but it might take a couple of years probably. It might don't expect a big bull market anytime soon, but do expect a big rally for probably a month, 2, 3 months, and then we'll get back in what we're doing with this bad market. All right, so we're looking at 1 day daily time frame. 2 months ago, I kind of got this bear flag right here, and he played exactly as I was predicting. You know, but normally bear flag is supposed to go down. Right here, you could say your bear flag didn't play it out because he got broke out right here. So I would say yeah, but no. You know what I mean? But this bear flag kind of came out to the what I expected to come out when he broke out. Expected to come out right here between 24, 25. He came with 24 and then got rejected and did a pullback. Right now, we are at a pullback, but I'm looking, I'm liking this candle right here, which is today, which is, we might say that this bull market, this rally might even get us to 25 or 26. I like to go and see the volume. I love to see volume. I love to see liquidity. So what we're seeing right now is that for the past couple of months, we had pretty much very low liquidity. And starting in May-June, it was okay. And then right now, if you look at it, July, liquidity has doubled. We do have a lot of liquidity in the market. A lot, yeah, double than we had previous, right? So this is pretty good. This is a sign that this might take us a little higher, might take us to 26, which is the purple line right here. But between the 25 and 32, there's a lot of resistance. There's a lot. I don't know. Myself, I wouldn't think that we might get to 30 or 32 unless something happens, unless there's liquidity injected in the market. But besides that, I think we might get back to 25. 25 is pretty good. 25, it might stick up our head right here in the 30s, but really depends what's going on in the market. And there's a lot of people predicting that the war between Russia and Ukraine might be ended in a couple of weeks. So that could be the catalyst that we're looking for to kind of get people excited to pump to 26 or 25. If that happens, I expect to kind of hit 26 It got pulled back and they hit again, and then will come back retest it, the 20, 23, 22. And then if we're lucky, we might just come back and do the 32, as you wish, guys. All right. So now, I still think, before we move on, I still think this bear flag might play it out. It might play it out because I don't think it's cancel. I would have canceled right now because, you know, there's many things that could happen in between. So let's take a look at a weekly. Uh, we'll go to weekly. We can see, yeah, we can even see in a weekly time frame that the liquidity has increased as well. So I know there's a lot of red ones, but we 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 got good green ones here as well. So what I want to look at it is to see what we forming here in a weekly time frame. So in the weekly, we're looking for a support. We got a support here, 19,000. It looks a very strong support right here. Let me just point it out. We have it right here, support right on this candle here, this green candle, this big green candle. We got a resistance from the red and the green, and then we got another one, and we got another one. So, and then right here, we got all this candle here, support. So, which tells me that 19,000 is a very solid area to get a reversal if we come back. We come and retest this area here. So far, people are getting really excited. So I don't see we coming back to 19 right now, unless something happen, something major happen. So what I'm seeing right now is actually, if you look at it on a weekly time frame, I can still see a flag right here. Let me just show you here. Even you can see that. You can see that. You can see right there. So you get a bear. See, even in a weekly time frame, we get a bear flag. So normally bear flags play like this, and then you just go down. So uh, we can't ignore that. This rally, it might be just a fake rally. It hits 25 or 26, and they just come back to this area here. That we don't like a lot. All right, so now let's take a look at a monthly time frame to see what we are. And a monthly doesn't look too good. We had the whole month of June. We had this huge red candle, which is not very positive. So for us to get a little excited, I would want to see a very large engulfing green candle right here, probably up, a green candle that closed probably above that right there, above the 32, 30, 31, 32. Because remember, we got a June kind of close on 30. It started at 31.97. So we need a green candle right here on the top for us to get really excited. And so I'm not seeing the monthlies almost. We are at the mid of July right now. So I'm not seeing that force, that momentum to overtake this red candle. So hopefully something happened between, man. If that's what I'm saying, if there's a ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine, definitely we're gonna see a lot of a lot of excitement for the stock market, the forex market as well, the crypto as well. So uh, as I told you before, I did that video, the Hope, the video that I think the title was Hope. I suggest you guys just to do DCA, do your research, keep doing your research, do your DCA, because crypto will pay off, man. It might take a while because it's we kind of fighting in to get to get people to actually people in companies to start really taking the crypto market seriously, because you know there's a lot of things happening in the market that it shouldn't be happening. Uh, a lot of people play it out, a lot of Ponzi schemes and stuff, and they kind of use people to, you know. But we learn, and hopefully, we have, hopefully you guys didn't take too much losses. But just use that as another step up. So, um, in terms of short term, what I'm seeing short term, I'm seeing we're tomorrow is Friday. I'm seeing a very good Saturday and Sunday. It might see some great pumps coming in for the weekend. Yeah, we might see that. The only thing that I was scared is that we might get a double top right here. So that never happened. He kind of went up. So that's pretty cool, because if we would get a double top right here, right on this area here, right here. So I was looking at a double top with this guys right here. If that would have happened, guys, we would probably coming back here to 17. So that's so far it looking pretty good for short term. So for you guys, trader, this is pretty good for us to kind of get some money out of the market, put some money in as well. you know, you know how it is. So this is it for the market update. So what's really going on is just people people are very excited. There's a lot of prediction happening in the market. People are predicting that uh the war might end in 2 weeks. So that's why people are very excited about that. The other thing is the Ethereum merge. You know, yeah, Ethereum is gonna merge, but you know what happened? It's gonna be a sell-off because they pump. In the beginning of the week, there was a huge pump for Ethereum. People were buying. When the merge happens, you're gonna see people dumping Ethereum. You know what I'm saying? So be careful in that. If you're trading Ethereum, be careful on the day that the merge is gonna happen. I think it's gonna happen within 2 days now. So, um, but I'm expecting a very good weekend. Very good weekend. We might get really surprises on the weekend. All right, so hopefully I answer a couple of questions, and yeah, guys, just to keep it up. This is our market. It's up and down. But don't forget, this is the future, and you know, as soon as the government start recognize crypto, uh, kind of don't screw it up too much. So I think we'll do pretty good. I think the society will appreciate this technology. All right, guys. So hopefully, I'll see you guys in the next week with some good market update. Um, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, guys. Take care.